Today I'm showing you a very neat 3-bedroom duet in Island View. This is a spacious open plan living and dining room area which flows into the open plan kitchen. You've got your separate washing bay. Enough space for all your appliances. Also have a nice and cozy balcony with a built-in braai, stunning mountain views, other side sea views. Let's go and have a look at the rooms. Here you've got your master suite, nice and spacious, built-in cupboards, and a walk-in ensuite bathroom consisting of a shower, corner bath, toilet and a basin. You've got your second bathroom, the second bedroom also has built-in cupboards, and your third bedroom. This surprisingly spacious duet in Island View is now up for sale.